No, you can share your screen.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. SPRO, SAP reference, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Material management. Valuation and account assignment. Today's subject is valuation and account assignment.
Okay, just 1 second. I'll just note it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So why we require now? System will propose automatically GL account based on that valuation class in material master, for which material which GL should trigger. They will decide. Business will tell you. So what to do? Okay. So in that case, we have to assign the valuation classes in the material master. For finished product is a different GL account, and raw material different GL. The spare part different GL account. Like that, general ledger accounts that will be created by the finance team. As a MM consultant, our role is to create that valuation class and assign in material master. Okay. After that, we need to assign GL account to valuation class in integration transaction is there, obyc. That also we will do. Okay. Now first step is the valuation account determination. Click on account determination. Account determination without wizard.
Account determination without wizard.
So now define valuation control. That already activate, but we need to see execute the define valuation control. Whenever the SAP providing software, no, that will come as a grouping code is active. That should be active always. Okay. Now go back now.
Go back.
Yeah. Next step is the group together valuation areas. Click on that one. Okay. Valuation area is nothing but the plant. Okay. Now we are doing our valuation area is 1000. We are practicing for 1000 now. In real time, if you create the plant, new plant, you have to enter the plant here. Okay. Click on the position, select 1000. Otherwise, you can see directly. So this 3001 is the assigned valuation grouping code. This one. Okay. So valuation grouping code is nothing but for similar type of materials. If you want to assign one valuation grouping code, we will use 3001. If you want separate one, you can create 3002. Like that, we will create the valuation grouping code. Okay. Now go back now. Now our aim is to create that valuation class. Okay. Define valuation class.
Okay.
So first step is the account category reference. You can create our own account category reference. Otherwise, we can use 3001. So try to create new entries. Select the first one and copy as. Otherwise, you can create one also. Enter V001 or something like that. Enter some one description, any description. Valuation class is required for automatic account determination. Okay. For some materials, they will ask one valuation class. For other materials, they will ask a different valuation class. Okay. Now press enter and save it. Next step, go back. Go back. Click create valuation class. So now new entries. Enter V001. And account category reference, just now you created, which one you created? V00 something? Select front out. Click on there, click there, second box. Click on the drop down. V001 account you created, okay?
Yeah.
Now create another valuation class, next step.
Here?
V002, V003, like that, create three. Same account category reference we can use. V00. Enter description for each valuation class. Raw material, you can enter any valuation class description. Raw material plastic, raw material steel, raw material brass, like that.
Okay.
Business will tell you everything. I need these GL accounts to trigger for this material. In that case, we will decide if they given 10 GL accounts now, we have to create 10 valuation classes for each. Press enter and save it now. Now we created an account category reference and we created valuation class. In that valuation class, we have entered account category reference. Okay. Go back now. Now next step is material type and account category reference. We need to link with our material type. Do you remember what is our material type? You created previously. Click on position. VROH something you created, no?
I guess I noted it down somewhere.
Okay, if you note it down, that is better.
Material. Yes, raw, I guess.
Otherwise, you can go to MM60 in another screen. You will see, you enter your user ID.
Okay.
The screen /O. MM60, enter your user ID.
60?
MM60, yes. List of materials available in a plant. Created by user ID. Enter spacebar. Execute. Execute. What happened?
No materials can be displayed.
Maybe they refreshed the system, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, go to OMS2 and create one new material type. Transaction OMS2 /N. Close that previous account determination screen. You have to close.
This one?
It will not allow if you don't close. Yeah. Now select ROH. Click on position. ROH is for material type for raw material. In interview, they will ask you what is the raw material ROH. They will ask finished good product. Click on copy as. Click on change icon. Change and yeah, that. Yeah, now select ROH. We are linking material type with valuation class indirectly with account category reference. Okay. For that purpose, we are creating our own material type. VROH. Enter description raw oran materials or raw material oran. Just press enter and save it. Enter, 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 enter. Try to save it.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to that previous SPRO screen. So now you created one new ROH. So whenever we are creating with this material type, we will get our violation classes only.
Okay.
Go to SPRO. In this step, 3 steps already you did violation class, already you did ACR, account category. Now we need to assign material type to account category reference. Okay.
Okay.
Now select your click on position, select your VROH. Click on position. Okay, by default you copied from ROH. Now that's why it is showing account category reference 0001. Okay. Now you have to enter your own account category reference.
Okay.
Select from drop down. Which one you created?
V001.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Press enter and save it. Okay. Now you created account category reference. After that you created valuation class. In that valuation class you assigned account category reference. After that you created one material type and you assigned account category reference with material type. Okay. Now try to create your material type or material with this material type. Transaction code MM01. Select industry sector, anything. Material number no need to enter, automatically it will come. If not, we will enter. VROH. Press enter. Okay, internal number is not possible. Okay, directly enter some any name.
I mean, here or?
Yeah, material. For this material type, they configure automatic an external number range. Okay. No, you enter manually name. Any name.
Okay.
Foreign material. This is a maximum 18 digit, not more than 18. Okay.
Okay.
Press enter. No external number as possible for material type, raw material run. No external number. What happened? Now remove that V material. Press enter. Internal number as soon as possible for the material type, raw material one. Okay, now go to MMNR. Transaction MMNR. Click on groups, change groups. Okay, select your VROH. Yeah, double click. Yeah, click and select an element group. Click on element group. Element group at the top. Little bit
here,
up.
okay.
Yeah. We have to assign any number range. Okay. Select any 03 or 04, anything. Yeah. Double click. Yeah. Okay. Now save it. Interval does not exist. Select again VROH. Where is it VROH?
I don't know. It was here only, right?
Okay. Control F again. Control F. Yeah. Control F. No problem. Control F. VROH. Okay. Double click. Yeah. So select that VROH. Just click on yeah. And now click on element group. Select other one. Yeah. Save it. Okay, now it is okay. Now try to create MM01 material master with this VROH. Basic data 1. Purchasing 1.
Data 1, purchasing.
Accounting, general data plant 1.
Accounting 1.
Accounting is compulsory if you want to buy external procurement. And general plant data. Press enter. Center plant 1000. SL01. Storage location SL01. Yeah. Press enter. 5 series number range is coming automatically, no problem. Enter some description, orange material or something. Valuation class material, you can try orange valuation class material. So we are creating this material to test our valuation classes is coming or not, okay? Mandatory field, enter the mandatory field, basic units of measures.
Just enter kg.
Yeah, you can put. Depends upon the product, what you are entering.
Material group.
Yeah, you can get anything. OMSF, we can create material group, our own material group, transaction OMSF, okay? Now you are into purchasing, you enter the press enter. Nothing, no need to enter anything here, just press enter. Now valuation class, try to click on that valuation class. You will able to see our V001, V002. Down, yeah. So only whatever we created valuation classes, this is coming here, okay? Because we have assigned our material type, this valuation classes, okay? Try to select anything, anyone.
Okay.
This is the way we need to create our own valuation classes and we need to enter in a material master, okay? Business will provide you how many valuation classes they required, okay? Now, valuation control price, you need to enter the price, moving average price. Press enter and save it. So now this material is created. Copy this material. Now try to create PO. You will get number of errors when you're doing that MyGo, because we need to do some configurations to trigger automatic configuration. Okay. We just created valuation class and assigned in a material master. ME21N transaction ME21. This is the old transaction. Select vendor. Previously we created with 100-100 material. Okay. Now we are creating with our own material.
Okay.
Enter 1000.
No master data.
No master. Vendor is not there. They refreshed system. You can select any other vendor. Select from drop down.
Enter plant.
Enter some net price. Because this net price is not coming automatically, we not maintain any info record for this combination. Okay. Now enter the quantity. Enter the storage location and check it. Second. After the plant.
Here.
Scroll. Yeah. Storage location. Next one. Yeah. Okay. Now you can post. Check it. Post. Yeah. Save it. Now copy this P1 number and try to do MyGo. MyGo means goods receipt. You created purchase order and you forward it to supplier, and supplier is trying to send the material to your warehouse or location. Now we need to perform goods receipt. So right side, if you see that movement type, 101. Always we will use 101 for single step movement type and 103 and 105 for two step. Okay, that also we will practice. Okay. Now what is the error you are getting?
Purchasing document not yet released.
Okay, what to do now?
To perform the release procedure ME29N.
Okay. Yeah, release. Yeah. Can't save.
Save.
No, this is not your PO. Click on that other
Yeah.
purchase orders. Click on other purchase orders after the pencil icon.
Yeah. Got it. Well, that's what I was checking if that is the.
Practice. I need practice. You are getting any calls, interview calls?
Not yet.
Yeah, they are trying to market you fast. You have to able to answer. First interview is okay, but you have to prepare. When you attend first interview, you will get some idea what are they are asking. Okay. Click on save.
Now back to my go.
No. No need to enter plant. Automatically it is coming. Everything is coming. Try to check it up. Item okay. At the bottom.
Oh.
Okay, you will get message anyway.
Getting stuck. Just exit or?
Yeah. Try to click on that three lines at the top left top corner. Click on close. Again, click on stop transaction. Okay, try to relog in another user. SAP GUI is there, no? Yeah, it is allowing. Okay, if it is allowing, it is okay.
No, it's not.
Flash. What happened? Continue with that login. You have to select that one. Password incorrect. Client is correct only.
Yeah, it's correct only.
Okay, try again.
Check it. ST.
What happened? Just now you logged in, no?
Yeah. I'll just log off.
Yeah. Maybe capitals is on. Capital.
No, it's not on.
Try one thing. Control Alt Del and go to taskbar and delete that SAP GUI. Control Alt Del. Taskbar.
I'll just close this.
It will close. No. It's gone. Okay. I think share your screen.
I'm not sharing it.
No, gone.
Okay. Okay, now?
That window closed or no?
Yeah, it should have closed. Are you able to see my screen now? I'm sorry.
Yes, yes, I'm able to see.
Password is new at 1234.
Okay. Are you able to log in?
The screen is still stuck.
Okay.
So the password is correct because it worked there. It should work here also. Continue with this logon.
Yeah. Double click on that one. I am able to see small icon, not full screen.
Okay, now are you able to see?
No. I am able to see two windows with a blank and small screens, not. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Now share it again. Yes.
Yeah.
Now I am able to see. Yes. Yeah. Enter the space bar. You will get no.
Document is okay.
Yeah.
Save
Now
it.
try to post it. Post. Click on post. Yeah. So now you need to. What is the message? You read it. Double click on
Account
that. Yeah. Double click on this.
account determination for entry INT V001 is not possible.
INT is a chart of account, okay. BSX is a transaction event key for inventory posting, okay. In interview they will ask what is the transaction event keys. Transaction event keys are that BSX and WRX is the transaction event keys. We have so many. I will tell you whenever we come. First one is the BSX and next will be the WRX, okay. So now V001. What is the V001? That is our valuation class. You remember?
Valuation class, yeah.
Yeah. So there is no configuration done so far. That's why it is showing error. Okay. Now click on that proceed. Here also diagnosis. Under the diagnosis, you see chart of account, transaction key, valuation grouping code, accounting grouping code, and valuation class. This is the combination we need to maintain in our proceed is there no, below under the procedure. Proceed.
Okay.
Now you can proceed from here. Click on cancel. Click on account assignment. One way, this is the way. Otherwise, you can directly go to transaction code obyc. Yeah? Anybody ask you in interview what is the transaction between integration between the FI and MM, you have to tell obyc / and obyc. This is the integration T code between the MM and finance team. Okay. Put / and first. Now obyc.
Integration T code between the finance
and material management.
Yeah.
Actually, in real time, this is the role of that finance team. Okay, our role is completed at that valuation class created and assigned in the material master. Okay, but we should know this also as a consultant. Okay, now we are getting error for BSX. Okay, what is the BSX? Is a transaction event key for inventory posting. Okay, are you able to see the BSX in this screen?
Yes.
Yeah. For inventory posting, transaction event key is the BSX. Why inventory posting? We are doing the goods receipt against a purchase order. Okay, our stocks will update by doing that BSX. Okay, now double click on the BSX. you have to remember this transaction event is BSX for inventory posting. Okay. Now chart of account is INT. International we will use INT. INT. Press enter. Now we need to assign. Is there a valuation class of yours? Is there valuation class? Is there G001?
No.
Not there. Okay. So now select any one and copy as other. Go to new entries. Click on new entries. New entries is there? No, not there. Okay. Directly you can enter the below. Yeah. Valuation class V001. And GL account you can enter anything. You enter 3000. 3 zeros. 3 all zeros. Yeah. Press enter. One more zero. Press enter. Now save it. Now try again MyGo. You will get one more error. This is the way we need to learn account determination. Huh?
Okay.
Posted, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now click on this material document. Double click on
sure.
below.
Yeah. Okay.
Copy this
View
material
details.
Go to MyGo display. MyGo display. /n/. Select in place of goods receipt display. It's a universal transaction. Okay, we can do goods receipt, goods issue. By default, this material document coming latest one. Just press enter and go inside. So click on document info tab. Now you are into general tab. Okay.
Okay.
Click on the document info tab. Here click on FI documents, financial documents. So double click on accounting document. So here 3000 just now we assigned, that is triggering inventory raw material. Okay. Another one 191100 is the GL account, that is for WRX. Okay. Now we need to select what is the key. You don't know. No? Scroll right side. Scroll right side. Is there any BSX WRX? Not there.
No.
Okay. Click on that square box is there above the cost center. Little bit above the cost center. Yeah. Yeah. Click on side arrow. Right. No, not that one. Down arrow is there. No. Yeah. Now change layout. Now select here a transaction from right side to left side you have sent. Look for transaction.
Transaction type.
No, not transaction, just transaction. Yeah. Under the parent guard, yeah. Send left side. Click that arrow. Yeah. Now just press enter. Okay. Now scroll right side. Full. So this is a transaction event key BSX. Okay. BSX is the inventory posting transaction event key. WRX is the GRI clearance account. Okay. Now you try to perform MIRO, MIRO, invoice verification. So account determination is important. You Google it and you understand that carefully. If anyone asks you, account determination, they will ask you interview questions. Now enter invoice date.
Give like
same date, today date. Enter the PO date below. You know PO number? Remember PO number?
I'm not sure. This
If
one,
you don't
right?
remember how to find the PO number, you can find from table, you can find from ME to N transaction, okay?
ME.
Go to ME to N /O. Click on generate /O. ME to N.
Created by. Not there. No?
Created by is not there here. You can enter document date, today's date, document date. Yeah, just execute it. So one valuation class, the material description, if you see, second one is yours, okay? Copy that PO number 4500019711. Control Y and drag. After that, Control C. Control Y. Click the cursor at 4. Control Y. Drag. Not able to
I
control.
guess it's.
Okay, you can select from here. You can select from here. This is easy. Now try to do Miro. Press enter. So that amount we need to balance is negative, red color now, negative. Now you have to enter the balance in a first basic data. In a basic data, no, that is not editable. You have to enter the basic data. Now click on that basic data tab, basic data tab. Yeah. Enter some baseline date, future date. Yeah. So now under the posting date, you have to enter the amount 2000. Press enter. Always balance should be 0. Okay. Now it is okay. Now try to simulate. Before saving, you have to simulate. Okay. Just like check in a PO creation time. Okay. Press enter. Press enter. Now try to post it. Press enter. Okay. Now accounting document is posted. Okay. Now go to ME23N. This is your PO. Now if you want to see that invoice done or GR done, you click on the purchase order history. If nothing is done, no, there will not be any tab in a purchase order history tab at the bottom. That item tab, yeah, that is the purchase order history. If GR is not done, invoice is not done, this tab will not be available. Okay. Now first one is that material document number. Second one is the invoice document tab. Okay. Now you know how to see that accounting entries in a material document level. Okay. Now you see that, click on that invoice document. 510.
Click on that number.
Yeah, click there. Now at the top, follow on documents is there. Click on follow on documents. Click on double click on account document. Okay, now you are getting two entries here. Okay, vendor account and GRIR account. Okay, now click on this change layout. Select transaction. Okay, scroll right side, and what is the account entries? Click it. For vendor account KBS, okay, transaction event KBS, and GRIR account clearance WRX, and inventory posting BSX. Okay.
Okay.
Now when you're doing the material document, you triggered BSX and WRX is triggered. Okay, that is in negative. Always you have to remember GRIR should be nullified when you do invoice. First, when you do material document, the BSX and WRX is triggered. After that, when you do Miro, vendor account triggered. After that, GRIR. Okay. This is the way you need to explain interview. BSX is for inventory posting, KBS is for vendor transaction event key, and WRX is a GRIR clearance account. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So vendor, this is showing amount negative. No, we have to pay vendor 2,000 rupees. Okay. After that, when invoice is posted, that finance team will pay the amount to the vendor. In that case, that will be positive. Okay.
Okay.
If you go to material document accounting, what will happen? We see here it is minus is there. No, SS vendor is negative. Okay.
Yeah.
In amount field. Now go to MIGO display. Press enter.
I did.
Yeah. Click on document info. Click on account FI documents. Double click on accounting document. So here BSX is a positive, okay, and the GRIR is a negative amount. If you see minus 2,000 plus 2,000, okay.
Okay.
First one is the inventory posting means transaction event is BSX.
Okay, got it.
So now create one more material with valuation class V002 and you do configuration. I will see. Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
No, create
we have to
material.
create the
New material
right?
with valuation class. MM01.
I guess this account determination was a bit complex.
Yeah,
Too
that's why
much
you have to
step.
practice. You have
Yeah.
to practice, and you need to read what is the inventory posting, BSX, WRX, KBS. You have another one, GRB is there, GBX. That is there in my notes. If you see, open the notes, you will be able to read.
Oh, is that the handwritten notes?
Yeah, handwritten notes.
Okay. Yeah. Now we have to create the PO.
You have to understand debit means plus symbol will come and negative means credit. Okay. This is reverse than bank accounts. Now you create. Okay.
I guess this was the number. Yeah.
Check before saving. You have to.
Okay. Enter storage.
Enter. Press enter. If it is not allowing here, you have to enter the below. Under the where tab, you are under where tab under the plant.
Yeah.
Now double click and you go. Because this is not auto configured, that's why it is asking. Click on cancel. The T code is a obyc and you can go from here also. Click on account assignment. Now first read the error. What is the error? For BSX it is showing error, no?
Yes, obyc.
Okay. So here we are linking with the valuation class and GL account, okay? Whenever we are doing posting, it will take automatic GL account process. That's why we are configuring automatic account determination. The beauty of the SAP is the account determination only. That's why the success.
Okay. I guess it was V003.
Yeah, yes, you enter the V003. You can use same GL account. We can also create our own GL, but in real time we don't create any GL. Finance team will create, okay? General ledger account. So previously you used to get error, no? Now no error, okay?
Yeah.
Now go to display of this material document. You will see the BSX and WRX. And BSX is a debit. Debit means plus, amount is a plus. Yeah, that is the one. Press enter. Yeah. Click on the document info. Click on FI documents. Any interview they will ask you account determination. So if you see the amount, 20,000 amount plus means debited, okay? And WRX is a negative. So when we do Myro, the WRX will become nullified and another one vendor account will come, okay? Inventory means BSX. Goods receipt GRIR means WRX. You remember this, huh? In interview they will ask what are the accounting entries will trigger when you do post GR against the purchase order. You have to tell BSX inventory posting debited and WRX GRIR account negative. Okay, like that you have to tell and try to do Myro now, invoice verification.
I have a doubt. Like,
Yeah.
debited is the money which we have paid, right?
Yeah, but in our bank details and now SAP different. That's why don't confuse.
Okay.
Reverse in bank.
So BSX is the positive.
Debited.
Like that.
Yeah, positive means debit.
Okay, BSX is the positive debited and.
Otherwise, you can select transaction type, I think, from change layout. You will see debit credit also.
Okay.
Change layout. Transaction type.
Transaction type or transaction?
Select transaction and transaction type from two.
Okay.
Yeah. No, not that. What is that inside? So click on the transaction type, drop down in that box. Yeah. Last one.
Sorry, this one?
Yeah. Click on inside the box. Nothing coming. Okay. Change layout again. You will see debit credit indicator. Change layout.
I guess
Debit
there was
credit,
one more
debit credit
transaction.
indicator is there. Is there?
Where?
Yeah, after the below account type.
Oh yeah.
Below, yeah, send this side. Now see debit credit indicator, you will see. So click on that S. S means debit. S means debit. H means credit. Okay, you remember this. They will ask you a definite question here. Account determination.
Okay, so WRX is always credit.
Yeah.
That's the good.
At the time of goods receipt, it will be negative credit. But when you do Myro, it will be positive. It should be nullified.
Yeah, correct.
You have to use this word. WRX should be nullified. You have to tell like that. Now try to do Myro for this same. You practice after this class, practice account determination and read that terminology. What is the valuation class? What is the valuation grouping code? What is account category reference? And practice and create your own valuation classes. Just now what you did here, two, 3 times. Otherwise you will forget.
Balance is already 0.
No, why it is balance? No, you entered from wrong PO. Wrong PO you entered. That is not our PO. Already this PO Myro done. No, it will not available here. Go to MyGo display. Go to transaction MyGo display. You can otherwise ME23N, otherwise ME2N. I think this is the one. Yeah. Myro. Enter invoice date.
Okay.
Now you have to enter the amount.
20,000, yes.
Press enter and try to simulate. Enter some baseline date, future date. Click on the post. Press enter and save it. So now go to ME23N display. If you copy this Myro number, you can see from here also accounting entries. Now this click on the purchase order history. First one is the material document. This second one is the invoice. So now click on the follow-on documents. Tell me what are the accounting trigger here?
Accounting trigger means?
Yeah, transaction event keys. Okay, you can select and change layout and select. KBS is a vendor account.
Change layout.
So when you do Myro, KBS vendor GL account will trigger. Every vendor have one GL account, one GL account. Okay. And another one is a WRX. If you see the WRX is positive here. Previously that was negative in MyGo. Okay.
Okay, now it has become positive.
Yeah. So you have to tell in interview WRX should be nullified after Myro. When we do goods receipt, the transaction event keys will be BSX for inventory posting, WRX is for GRIR account, BSX is a debited and WRX is a credited. When we do Myro, KBS vendor account will be credited and WRX will be debited. So WRX will be nullified.
Okay.
So now you know the 3 transaction event keys, BSX, KBS and WRX. Okay.
WRX, yes.
Now when you do purchase order goods receipt, these are the accounting entries will trigger. Okay. Now try to issue goods for this material. You know this material, you know. Okay, now try to go to transaction MyGo. Select in place of goods receipt, goods issue. Goods issue means we are sending outside, okay? Select in place of reservation others. Other. The movement type is a 201. We are going to issue some materials to the cost center. Cost center nothing but the production unit or office or anything, manufacturing plant. So at the below material tab, enter the material. Yeah. Enter just now you created one material, now enter that one. If you don't know the material, go to MM60 and select the material. You can take any one material. Control Y, Control C, Control C.
I don't know, it's not working on the.
No, it will work.
Mac.
Control C, Control C. Control C. Now go to Control Y and Control C. Now you selected full line. No, if you Control Y, click any Control Y.
Yeah.
Control C. Now you full line selected. No, you have to press Control plus Y.
So I'm doing it like that. I don't think it's happening.
Click there. Copy. Control C now.
It's
Full line.
happening. Yeah.
Control Y. Control C. Okay, type somewhere.
It's fine. 50066. I'll just note it down.
0066 168 or 165 or 166.
166.
Yeah, remove the description. Just keep that material. Yeah. Press enter. Try to enter quantity 1. We are issuing one quantity. Okay. Quantity tab. Click on quantity tab. Now keep the description. Don't change anything.
No, I guess.
No, this is okay. This is for material only. Yeah. Enter material.
Okay, I'll just enter it in 566. Yeah.
Press enter.
Okay.
Now click on that quantity tab. How much you want to issue? One quantity.
Yeah, I guess it was the PO for 200, I guess.
No, but we are sending only one out. We
okay, now.
Purchase lots, but don't want to send all. Just click on where tab. Click on where tab. Now, from which plant you are sending? 1000 plant, okay? And storage location SL01. SL01. Press enter. Now try to check it. You will get some error. So we are issuing cost center 201 movement type. System is asking to enter the cost center. Now click on the cost account assignment tab. Now enter the space bar. You already entered some cost center, I think 1200. Try to enter 1200. Press enter. Okay, now try to check it and post it. Before posting, check the stocks. What are the stocks available? After posting, yeah. Now what is the error here? You have to figure out.
Yeah, account determination not possible.
So whenever you are doing goods issue, we will get GBB is the transaction event key. For that GBB is the offsetting accounting entry key. Okay. For that one VBR will trigger. Okay. Now keep this screen open. Go to another screen and try to configure this one. Like this, we need to practice account determination. Okay. obyc. Why are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, okay. I thought I have to.
No more confusion. You already 60% complete, and Mr. Warren.
Okay.
Next week you are going to attend some interviews. You practice whenever you have time. Practice. Otherwise, no. They will confuse you in interview.
Okay.
You have to tell real-time scenarios. You have to tell. Now, what is the transaction key is in that error message?
It was GBB.
First one is the chart of account. Okay, INT. Transaction key. Next one is what is GBB. Okay.
GBB.
GBB is the look for GBB. Double click on that. Offsetting entry for inventory posting. Okay.
Okay.
You have to remember this labels. Now we are getting error for VBR. Okay. Go to that error screen. So first one is the GBB is the offsetting entry key. After that the 0001. After that VBR. Okay. VBR. We have to look for VBR now.
Okay.
Select any line of VBR and click on copy as. Select VBR. Click there somewhere cursor on a VBR.
Okay.
Yeah. And click on copy as. Now you have to change the valuation class here. Okay. V003 in place of 3000.
Okay.
Press enter. You can keep same GL, no problem. Save it now. One more thing you do for 001 also. Save it. Just scroll down now. Scroll down. You have to look for 001 combination with VBR. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Combination. Click on that 001 VBR and click on copy as. Now change that valuation class. If you see that error, you will understand the INT, GBB and valuation modification J0001. Yeah, VA00.
V001, right?
First one. No, 3. Now you creating this material, no? Next time when you create with other material, you will get the other error. Now press enter and save it. Now try to post that goods receipt now. /MIGO. After this class, if you have time, create new valuation classes and new material type and assign that valuation class into your material and create this. This way you have to practice that account determination. What happened, Arun? Hello?
Hello.
Are you there, Varun?
Yeah, I'm there. I guess the connection got lost.
Okay.
Is the screen getting recorded still?
Yeah, still recorded. Yeah. Now /MIGO. Now you know how to assign a GL account and valuation class. Okay. Now go to try to do goods receipt. Goods issue only. Okay. Press enter.
Goods issue. What the?
I want to show what is the accounting entries will trigger in this case. Okay. After that, you can practice with another material, 165 material also. Enter the quantity tab. Okay, check it and don't post it. Check. You opened that another screen, sir. Close all the screens. The previous screen is open. Yeah, close this one. The center, yeah. Now try to check it. So there is no okay, document is okay now. Go to another screen and check the stock position for in MMB is the transaction, okay? To check the stock of the material. MMB.
Okay.
Enter the material 166 material.
166.
And enter 1000 plant. Execute it. Yeah, what is the stock here? 100, okay? The 3 is the decimals, okay? Now, after posting that one, the stock will reduce 1, okay?
Yeah.
Now go to the previous
Okay.
Previous screen. Yeah, try to post it now. So document is posted. Go to that MMB, refresh MMB now. Another screen. Stock should reduce here. So previously 100 was there, now 99, okay?
Yeah.
Because we are sending
Okay.
one material to one cost center, okay? Now go to Miko display, check the accounting entries. For each movement, different accounting will trigger. Previously BSX will trigger for 101 movement. Now this is a 201 movement type. Yeah, click on the document info.
Yeah.
This is not our material document. This is the material document ours. Press enter. Press enter. Yeah. Click on document info. Click on FI documents. Double click accounting entries. So here also, what difference you understood here? Now select the change layout and select the transaction. You have to tell what is the difference for previous GR document and now GI document. This is GI document, okay?
Yeah, BS6 is negative.
Yeah.
This is the new one, GBB.
So BSX negative means credit, okay?
Yeah.
And in place of WRX, we are getting GBB because this is a cost center offsetting entries, okay? Under the GBB, VBR will trigger, okay, for cost center related. But in interview, you can tell when we do goods issue against the cost center, we will get BSX and GBB. GBB is the offsetting entries. Under the GBB, we have so many BSCA, VBR, VBO. That's why we call it as the offsetting entry. Okay.
Okay.
Now you understood. For this one, there is no Miro because we are issuing from our department only. No need to pay nobody. Okay.
Okay.
Debit credit, you understood, no? When stock comes,
Yeah.
that will be a debit. When goes, credit. Now you practice more.
Yeah.
60% syllabus completed. Tomorrow we will take care of inventory management. Inventory management, nothing but this only. Goods received, goods issue, transfer posting. We will have so many movement types. 101, 103, 105, 313, 315, 311 movement types, and all these movement types will come under the inventory management. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow
Sure.
we will do that process. Okay. Meantime, you practice all these
Good.
configurations. Create one material valuation class and assign that into account category reference and material type. Create material and practice more. Okay.